Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create interesting photo flipping effect. Create Fusion composition, place it on the timeline and switch to Fusion. Add background node, connect it to media out, set alpha value to 0. Add loader node, import image you need and connect to the background, use the merge node. Add rectangle mask, set width and height to 1. Use corner radius to round the corners and soften the edge using soft edge parameter. Connect transform node to the image and reduce the size to 0.5. Add drop shadow node. Return to the transform node and set keyframe to the center parameter. Move 30 frames forward and change X and Y value. Open spline editor, smooth the animation and enable ping-pong mode to create looping motion. Duplicate their nodes as many times as you need images. In each loader node, replace the image. In the first merge node, move the image to the left using the center parameter. Leave the second image uncharged. Move third image to the right. Do same process with other images. Add another transform node. At frame 0, move all images beyond the right edge of the screen and set keyframe. At frame 20, move the images back to the original position. Move 30 frames forward and add another keyframe to create a pause. Move another 20 frames forward, shift the center to the second image and create another 30 frames pause. Repeat this circle for each photo. Open spline and smooth the animation for every movement separately. Go to transform node of the second photo. At frame 10, add a keyframe for the size parameter. At frame 20, increase the size. Add a keyframe at frame 50, and at frame 60, return the original value. Smooth the animation in spline. Right-click the transform node and choose copy. Go to the next transform node, right-click the size parameter and choose path setting. In the keyframes panel, shift the pasted keyframes. Repeat the process for each photos. Add Gaussian blur node and connect rectangle mask to it. Enable invert parameter and adjust mask size to match the central image. Done. To learn even more about capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.